Lucas, the math tutor.
If you can see,
Yeah.
the numbers all go to 11. Look, right across the board. 11,
Oh, I see.
11,
And most of
11,
the
and then
amps go up to 10.
Exactly.
Does that mean it's louder? Is it any louder?
Well, it's one louder, isn't it? It's not 10. You see, most blokes, be playing at 10. You're on 10 here, all the way up, all the way up,
Yeah.
all the way up. You're on 10 on your guitar. Where can you go from there? Where?
I don't know.
Nowhere, exactly. What we do is, if we need that extra push over the cliff, you know what we do?
Put it up to 11.
11, exactly. One louder.
Why don't you just make 10 louder and make 10 be the top number and make that a little louder?
Turn the knob clockwise and things get louder. Is that really all there is to it? Chances are you have heard of decibels before. Using whole numbers and negative integers, they are used to measure a variety of power ratios that relate to sound levels. Whole numbers measure the sound pressure level entering your ears. With 0 decibels, no pressure, being the lower limit of human hearing, and 140 being our threshold for pain. Negative integers are used by amplifiers for how much voltage they can output before distortion becomes audible. Now 0 is the loudest setting possible with negative 60.
The sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sun.
You see, shouting in the streets, you're gonna take out the world. Something that got blood on your face. The big district, waiting out there all over the place. Sick rock you.
I can almost remember the funny faces. Last time you told her that you gon' be marrying soon. When I got you good night for you. I pulled out to the plate for you. I'll jump inside of a train for you. You know I do anything for you. I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. 'Cause I will die for you, babe. Hey yo, it's just another bomb track. Hey yo, it's just another bomb track. Yeah. It goes on 1, 2, 3, yeah, it's just another bomb track. And suckers been thinking they can.
the top number and make that a little louder.
These go to 11.